You ever smoked a belt on a trail? You ever filled your cab up with that lovely burning rubber smell? Well, I know I have, but one of the products that make it really easy to avoid those situations is a blowhole. Not only does Mountain Tech Performance have a blowhole that you can purchase for pretty inexpensive, but it's a super easy install. It takes less than an hour on most machines. It is different which machine it is because it goes on the intake tube down into your clutch cover. But instead of the clutch just pulling natural air down into the clutch covers to keep the belt cooler, this is gonna force that air. So it's a fan that we put on the intake tube. Like I said, it forces that air down, it drives the belt temps down, and I can tell you firsthand because I personally have a Razorback belt temp gauge, and this tells me how well my blowhole actually works. I'm always in the green, very rarely hitting that red, and never in that flashing too hot level. One of the easiest products that you guys can get, probably about an hour install. It's different on every machine, but they make them for every machine. And we're not only talking UTVs, but snowmobiles as well. So check out Mountain Tech Performance, but click the link below and we'll get you hooked up for the one you need.
Run.